As you drive up to this modern villa with an ocean view, you will notice how new the construction looks and is. At only 1 year old, this home was constructed with Norwegian finishes. Everything from the tiles to the appliances came from Norway. The ocean views are beautiful, and the open floor plan is perfect for easy living. There are 3 spacious bedrooms and large upstairs and downstairs terraces. Also, this home is very close to a semi-private beach. What could be better? Call today to view. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.